Okay, welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a Design Spark mechanical tutorial, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to create the Boa-Zande sword, similar to the one that was seen on Forged in Fire, Season 8, Episode 20. So we'll go ahead and create a new document, new design, create a plan view. I've got a JPEG file I'm going to use as a reference, so we'll drag that in. Not necessarily going to create this to scale, so we'll just create it this size, and then if you want to use it you can go ahead and blow it up. So we'll go to move. We want to rotate this. Excuse me, we'll rotate it till it's fairly straight, and then we'll just go ahead and select, and then we'll drag this over. That looks pretty straight there. Okay, now we're going to control minus. Actually, let's control plus this, control. Okay, now we're going to get the line tool. We're going to drag a line from the top there straight down. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and create half of that. So we'll right mouse click on that line, set as a mirror. Then we're going to grab the line tool. We're going to come from there straight down. Actually, this point has a little bit of a curve on it, so I'm going to actually undo this. Okay, we're going to get the 3-point arch. We're going to click on that endpoint there. We're going to come all the way down to there and just kind of bow this out a little bit. We'll do a radius 12.081 and 11.3 degree angle. So we'll click there. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and get the 3-point arch again, put one in there from there to there, and then we're going to bow this in a little bit. This will be 32.1 degree and a radius of 0.985. We'll click there. Okay, now we're going to control plus. We're going to pan this up. It looks like that's bowed out a little bit too, so we're going to use 3-point arch for mainly all of this. Come straight down to there, and then we'll bow that out a little bit, right about to there. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and put an end to that, so we're going to close that off, come straight across. Select the click off. Alright, now we're going to actually pan down. Looks like there's I'm not sure if that's the hole in the knife or this is the hole in the knife up here. Looks like probably this is the hole, but I'm going to go ahead and create this up here anyways, this little triangle. So we'll go ahead and create this piece here. We'll create that as a through hole, and then we're going to also create this one here. So grab the circle tool. Let's create a circle 0.090. Then we'll create one down here. Let's get our tangent line, and we'll go ahead and connect these. Okay, now let's pan up. Now we're going to create this handle. I don't know, I don't want to revolve this, so I'm going to actually extrude it. So we'll go ahead and let's create that plate in the middle there. So we're going to click on the rectangle tool, define from center. And we'll go ahead and click right there and just drag out 0.565. Okay, I'm going to give mine a little bit longer of a guard than the one that they have. Now I'm going to go ahead and put another line in here. So we'll go from there, come all straight down to there. Now we'll get our line tool. We're going to go, let's right mouse click on this, create as set as mirror. Grab the line tool. We're going to come straight down. come straight over, straight down, a little bit of an angle, straight down, then straight over. Okay, now let's go ahead and get rid of our graphic. Okay, now we're going to put some radiuses in here. Like that, radius in here. Actually, undo that. Let's go from here. Okay, let's go. I want to put a little bit of a bowed handle in there, so I'm going to get rid of that. We'll get our 3-point arch. Go from there to there, and then we'll just want to bow that out a little bit. Right, like there. Okay. Now let's go ahead and Control plus. Let's pan up on this. Let's put a radius in here, fillet. Let's put a fillet in here. Let's pan this down. Let's put a fillet right here. Okay. That looks pretty good for a handle. So we'll go ahead and Control minus, Control minus. Let's go ahead and get rid of this mirror line. Let's pan down. Let's get rid of this mirror line, don't need it anymore. Let's go Control plus. Let's pan up on this. I'm going to go ahead and get the trim away tool. Okay, these are going to be through, and this one will be through here. So now we're going to go ahead and Control minus. Let's spin this. Let's go ahead and select pull. We're going to select the face of this. We're going to come over here and change to both sides. And then we're going to pull this. Let's go to 0.2. Let's see if that's too thick. Yeah, that is too thick. So let's go 0.1. Okay, that's a little bit better. Spin this. Oh, undo, sorry. Grab the spin. 0.1 is good. Okay, we'll keep that. Okay, let's go ahead and pull this handle. So we're gonna go pull both sides. We'll do the handle at 0.2. Spin that. That looks pretty good. And now let's do our guard. Pull from both sides. And let's drag this out 0.3. Okay, so now we have a handle that's 0.2, guard that's 0.3, and a blade that's 0.1. So what we're going to do now is put in our chamfers. So we'll go ahead and pull. Put one in there. Change this from fillet to chamfer. And then we're going to drag it uh, 0.05. Okay. Now let's spin this. Select pull. Let's click that line there. Type in 0.0. Oh, actually, select. Okay, you need to change it down here every time. So 0.05. Enter. Okay, now we're going to spin this to the back side. Select pull. I'm going to click on that line, change it to chamfer, type in 0.05. Okay, now we're going to select this line and type in 0.05. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and get rid of these cutouts right here. We'll hold down Control to get both. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and spin. Let's go add some detail to the handle. So we'll Control plus. We're going to pan over. Let's go ahead and select, click till everything is selected on the handle there. And then we're going to put a fillet in here. Oh, 0.04. Okay, let's spin this. Do the same on that one. Click till everything is selected. 0.04. Okay, let's spin. I think I want to put a little bit of a fillet on these, so we're going to grab that little corner there, drag into, let's go to 0.1, and then we'll drag that one 0.1. Spin this. Let's go pull. Oh, 0.1. 0.1. Okay. Let's go ahead and spin that. Guard's kind of short now, so I'm going to go ahead and pull. I'm going to pull this to the right here to 0.08. Now we're going to spin this. Let's go to pull. Let's pull this one here. 0.08. Okay. Now I'm going to do click till everything is selected on this top piece. I'm going to do a fillet. Actually, let's Control plus and zoom in so we can see more detail. Let's go ahead and pull this. And then we're going to click and drag. Let's put a 0.01 fillet on that, and then this do the same on the bottom. 0.01. Now we're going to do the same right here. Click till you see that yellow line around everything. Let's pull a chamfer of 0.01. And we don't really want to have a weak spot right there where the blade could break. Now we want to do this one. Pull. Let's click till everything is selected. And we're going to go 0.01. Now we're going to pan down. Excuse me, allergies. Okay, now we're going to go select these till everything is selected. Pull to 0.01. And now we're going to spin. Do the same on the back side. Get this one. 0.01. I'll get this. 0.01. Okay. Now I think I'm going to put a 0.05. Let's see, but I'm going to need to change that to chamfer. So we'll go to chamfer 0.05. Now we'll spin this. Do the same on this side here. 0.05. Okay. And then we'll do the same right here. Let's grab these. Let's get them both by holding down the Control key. Type in 0.05. Uh-oh, undo. Gotta go to chamfer. 0.05. Does make a difference. Okay, let's go ahead and pan this. Let's spin this. Okay, that don't look too bad. Got our guard there. The only other thing I want to do is create a complete fillet around the guard. So click till everything is selected. Drag out to 0.01. That's going to prevent this. There won't be a sharp corner there, so it'll prevent it from breaking if you print this out in plastic. Okay, and then I'm probably going to fillet these. So type in or actually just pull a fillet on this. .01. Let's do one right there. Undo. Let's click off of that before we start the other one. Let's drag out to 0.01. Spin this. Select pull. Let's pull this 0.01. Continue to spin. And you get this one right here. Pull 0.01. Okay, now let's go ahead and go to view from top. Alright, this is going to be our Boa-Zande knife, like the one seen in Forged in Fire, Season 8, Episode 20. And then we'll go ahead and spin this, make sure everything in here is how we want it to be. It looks good. Okay, that's going to end today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and you got something useful out of this video. Okay, thanks again for watching.